Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about non-destructive testing. What does NDT stand for in the context of materials testing? A. New destructive technology, non-destructive testing. C. Nuclear detection technique. Diagnostic tool. Non-dimensional testing. The correct answer is B. Non-destructive testing. Which of the following is a key advantage of non-destructive testing? A. It always provides 100% accurate results. B. It can only be used on metallic materials. C. It allows for inspection without damaging the test object. It is always cheaper than destructive testing. It can only be performed in laboratory settings. The correct answer is C. It allows for inspection without damaging the test object. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which non-destructive testing method uses high-frequency sound waves to detect flaws? A. Radiography. B. Magnetic particle. C. Ultrasonic testing. Visual inspection. E. Eddy current testing. The correct answer is C. Ultrasonic testing. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.